Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Wan Nor Syafiqa binti Feldani. I am a final year student of Islamic Banking in UiTM Puncak Alam.
In my individual assignment of ISD 547 Islamic Banking and Financial Services, I am going to share a bit of knowledge about payment in FinTech universe. I believe that many of you, including me myself, are unfamiliar with the word FinTech. FinTech is combination of finance and technology. It focuses on application of new technological advancement to product and services in financial industry. The industry is very huge that it contains blockchain, payment, exchange, research, online banking, investment, crowdfunding that we directly or indirectly involve in our daily life. The payment system is FinTech one of the busiest sector. It can be seen in the operation of business-to-business B2B, business-to-customer B2C, and customer-to-customer C2C. That mobile payment technology gives many benefits to all people and sectors. Firstly, it is cost-saving through increased efficiency and speed payment transaction. Secondly, it is transparent and secure, which is increased accountability and tracking, easier payment as compared to cash payment. But who are the people behind the payment system? Now I am going to tell you 4 types of provider of FinTech payment service that we are using nowadays. 1. Hardware makers. The payment service are dependent on the hardware makers and only operate on its devices. It has fingerprint or iris recognition that improves security. It links information with the traditional financial institution. For example, Apple Pay that is accessible on iPhone and Apple Watches. It links the user's information with the financial institution. Samsung Pay and LG Pay also one of the payment system from the hardware makers. 2. Operating system makers. The payment service are dependent on the OS makers and operate only on mobile devices that install the OS. It links with financial institution system and payment through mobile apps. For example, Android Pay use fingerprint and recognition or password during payment. It use virtual card numbers and only support Android phone that have Android 4.4 KitKat and above. 3. Payment platform provider. It is developed based on their own service or product. They provide customized payment service for corresponding platform regardless of any type of mobile device and operating system. It can be made through card and point without link with the financial institution. For example, PayPal, portable point of sale for merchant making payments. They can pay with credit card or PayPal account linked with financial institution by installing PayPal on their phones. Alipay also one of the payment system from payment platform provider. 4. Financial institution. They are using IT technology or join other payment services. Payment can be made through account and card of the institution. For example, mobile payment with Visa. It provides payment service with various mobile payment platforms such as Apple Pay and Samsung Pay. Maybank To You also one of the payment system created by Maybank Berhad. Alright, now you know the 4 types of provider of the payment system. I am sure we have heard or used few of the payment system all this time. Even though mobile FinTech payment service are growing, it has exposed to various challenges and threats. 1. Mobile FinTech payment service need mutual authentication between FinTech payment service and financial institution before conducting payment. If the absence of mutual authentication, attackers can assume the identity of the mobile user and deliver false payment information. 2. In authorization. It must only be accessed by authorized user only. If not, hackers can easily intercept payment information such as password or claim excessive fees without the knowledge of the user and financial institution. 3. Challenge in automaticity of the transaction. The mobile FinTech payment service must confirm completely conduct a payment or none at all, because the system may halted or error during the payment process. Thus, the automaticity confirmation is a must in order the payment request is properly received. In conclusion, we can clearly see that many companies, financial institutions and users has participating in FinTech payment service because it brings convenience and simplicity to all consumers, also for cross-border transaction. Thank you.